Hello guys, according to the official news, the Chinese Ulefone brand has released a new 4G gadget phone, Ulefone Armor X7, with a quite comprehensive price. Before the official global pre-sales of this model, you can participate in the giveaway event to celebrate the launch. It's perfect chance to get a free Ulefone Armor X7, and it said there will be 10 units of the phone and $10,000 coupons awarded to the lucky winners. You must have been eager to know how to get a free Armor X7 and the coupons, but before that, let's check these features briefly. Armor X7 runs the latest Android 10 OS, bringing you a simple, smarter Android using experience. It features high-resolution 30-megapixel rear camera for high-quality crisp pictures, and a front-facing 5-megapixel camera for selfie and face unlocking. MediaTek MT6761 quad-core processor is the power-efficient and smooth. Can run multitasking without any stutter. 2 GB of RAM and 60 GB of internal storage can also definitely satisfy daily use. And it comes with a large 4000 mAh battery, which is unable to support a long time outdoor use. The Armor X7 also supports GPS, GLONASS, Galileo navigation system, NFC, Google Play, Face Unlock, Fingerprint ID, Dual SIM, Dual Standby can offer you more convenience. You can check the Ulefone official website to know more about Armor X7. Now it's time to tell you how to get the free Armor X7. You just need to make comments which features the Armor X7 you like the best, and share the link in the giveaway to social networks or groups. Then you will have the chance to get a free Armor X7. For more details about the giveaway, please visit the event page. So, the links are below in the description and in the comments below the video. Good luck to all you guys, hope someone will win the prize. Thanks for being with us, share your opinion and feedback it in the comment section below the video. Stay tuned for the further updates in the upcoming videos. Bye!